What's going on, guys? Welcome to another training, and today I'm going to show you how to make money with email marketing in 2022. So I use GetResponse. This is like an all-in-one tool for people who want to make an online business, because you can do email marketing, you can build websites, you can use it for marketing automation, and also for e-commerce marketing. But one of the best things that GetResponse has is that they have a free forever account if you want to start right now, which includes email marketing, the website builder. You can connect a domain, you can build a list up to 500 contacts, you can create landing pages, sign up, and contact forms. And also, if you want to promote it for your own affiliate marketing business, you can do it. The only thing you need to do is click here on affiliate programs, and you're going to be able to select one of the two programs they have. So if you want a recurring commission, 30% every month, you need to click here, or you can earn $100 per sale. So now let me show you some of the things that this software can help you. Like, for example, I have here my contacts. I can do email marketing, I can build autoresponders. I'm not using this feature because I have automation workflows. This one, you can create landing pages, forms, and pop-ups. I have here my report. For example, when I send an email for all my subscribers, I can see which people are opening it or click on my links. I can use it for e-commerce tools. I have here my automations, webinars. I can build conversion funnels. Also, I can connect my Google ad account or my Facebook ad account to GetResponse. I can use it for chats, for web push notifications. Here I have my file in images. For example, when I want to send an email, and if I want to upload an ebook, the first thing I need to do is upload it to my files here, and then I can put that link on my newsletters. I can integrate GetResponse with many softwares, and also I have here web hooks. So let me show you, because probably this is one of the best things of GetResponse, is that you can create here your own landing pages, and you can choose from all of these options. And basically it's very simple to create a landing page for your business, or if you are promoting an affiliate marketing product, you can choose from sign up and registration. If you want to do a promotion for download, sales, about me, webinars, video, and many options here. So one of the things you need to do if you want to start an affiliate marketing business is to collect leads, guys. And remember that people don't buy when they see, for example, your offer the first time. So people, you need to nurture your subscribers, and then they are going to buy from you. That's why it's important to have an email marketing software to do follow up and make money online through your own products, or if you are promoting an affiliate marketing product. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this information, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to upload more trainings about this subject. So talk to you soon, guys. Bye.